Welcome to Sacred Heart High School. Here we are going to continue with science lesson number 11, Human Body and Organ System, part B. We are going to continue with the circulatory system and then we are going to also understand the human blood groups as well as the human blood pressure. Heart is a part of blood circulatory system. Heart is present in the thoracic cavity, slightly inclined on left side, behind the ribs, between the two lungs. It's equal to one's fist. It weighs 360 grams. Its covering consists of a double-layered pericardial membrane called pericardium. Protective fluid is present between two membranes. It consists of a muscular organ formed from involuntary cardiac muscles and is four-chambered. The chambers are divided into upper right and left atria or auricles and two lower right and left ventricles. The heart functions the contraction and relaxation rhythmically and is called beating of the heart. Blood vessels. Since the heart is continuously beating, there is a continuous circulation of blood through blood vessels. Blood vessels consist of the artery, veins and the capillaries. Structure. Arteries. Arteries transport the blood from the heart to the body. It is deeply located in the body. There are no valves inside. Arteries transport the oxygenated blood except the pulmonary artery. Veins. Veins transport blood from the body to the heart. It is superficially located in the body. The walls are thin and are provided with valves. Veins transport deoxygenated blood except the pulmonary vein. Capillaries. Arteries keep on branching out to form their branches and sub-branches. Ultimately forming capillaries. Capillaries in turn join to form veins. Capillaries are fine hair-like vessels with extremely thin single-cell layered walls. Every important vital organ has network of capillaries. The oxygen, nutrients, hormones, vitamins, etc. are transported to the cells and waste materials of the cells are removed from the cells through capillaries. Thus, capillaries carry out exchange of materials in and out of the cell. Blood. Blood is a red colored fluid material. It is fluid connective tissue. The oxygenated blood is deep red colored, salty to taste, and its pH is 7.4 and is mainly composed of two components, that is the plasma and the blood cells. Plasma is made up of 90% water, 10% proteins, that is made up of minerals, proteins, waste products from the breakdown of proteins, hormones and antibodies, that is albumin, clotting factors, immunoglobulins and fibrinogen. Whereas blood vessels consist of the red blood cells, that is the RBCs, white blood cells and the platelets. Red blood cells, that is the RBCs, are small, circular and enucleated cells. These cells appear red due to hemoglobin. Oxygen dissolves in blood due to hemoglobin. Whereas white blood cells, that is WBCs, are large, nucleated and colorless cells. 5,000 to 10,000 WBCs are present per mm³ of blood. WBCs are produced in red bone marrow and acts as soldiers in our body. Platelets are extremely small and dish-shaped. They participate in blood clotting process. Human blood group. Depending upon the proteins like antigens and antibodies, different blood groups are formed. There are four main groups of human blood as A, B and O. Besides, there are two types of Rh negative and Rh positive of each of those four groups. Thus, in all, 8 blood groups are formed. Blood pressure. The force of flowing blood which is exerted on the arterial wall is called blood pressure. Due to contraction of the heart, the blood pressure is created on the arteries. Proper blood pressure is necessary to supply the blood in all parts of the body. Pressure recorded during the contraction of heart is called as systolic pressure, and the one recorded during relaxation is called as diastolic pressure. Blood pressure of the healthy person is about 120 by 80 millimeter to 139 by 89 millimeter of mercury. Sphygmomanometer is the instrument that is used for the measurement of the blood pressure. Thank you.